Hi, Earth kids! Today's mini mission is... What is sound? Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi, Zorvi. Cool! Today you're a rock star. What a fantastic sound. Do you want me to tell you how sound waves are made?
Hi, Zoe! Yes, please! Sound is so strange. You can't see it, but you can sure feel it. Yeah! Let's rock!
Sound is made when something vibrates, like a guitar string, a drum, or your vocal cords when you talk. Those vibrations push and pull the air in tiny waves that travel to your ears, kind of like ripples moving across a pond. Inside your ear, those waves make little parts wiggle, and your brain turns the wiggles into the sounds you hear. Whispers, songs, and even a big boom.
That's so cool and interesting, Zoe! Thanks! Another mini mission complete!